I'm so ready for my first Bills game. I'm so excited.
I know, we got the jerseys on already.
I know, but I'm excited about tailgating. I heard that's the best part, right? Starting off the game.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, do they really jump through tables? I don't want to do that.
Well, some people do, some people don't.
Is it safe? I mean, people probably get hurt doing that. I don't want to do that, but I do want to. I'll watch people do it.
Mom.
What?
Bad news.
What?
They moved the game to Detroit.
What? What?
I know, like the
No.
Bills can't handle a little snow.
Right? I mean, it is Buffalo, right? I'm in town for the first time to see a game.
I know. You know what this calls for?
I know exactly what it calls for.
We'll have a blue Sunday without you. We'll be so blue just singing the shout song without you. When the news first had said that the team had to flee, won't be the same here in Buffalo, you can see. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when the tailgaters started balling.
Detroit, hop in.
We'll be shoveling all night, but the team is alright. The Bills will bring us a win from Detroit. Yeah, this snow is getting way out of hand.
Oh yeah, I know. I mean, I've been shoveling all day.
I know, Eden's got like 9 beer cans worth.
That's a lot.
I know, but Orchard Park's 77 inches.
77 inches?
I know.
Isn't that the same height as Josh Allen?
It's getting pretty close.
Oh wow, that's a lot.